Looking for the best data engineering courses on Coursera? In this video, I'll rank the top 3 programs based on course quality, learner ratings, popularity, industry recognition, and career value. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. My number 3 pick is the DeepLearning.AI Data Engineering Professional Certificate. This program is designed for learners with some experience and covers Apache Airflow, data pipelines, data lakes, data modeling, and modern data engineering practices. It's an excellent choice if you want to work with today's cloud-based data platforms. At number 2 is the Snowflake Data Engineering Professional Certificate. If you're interested in cloud data engineering, this certificate teaches SQL, ETL, data pipelines, data warehousing, and Snowflake, one of the fastest-growing cloud data platforms used by many companies today. My number 1 recommendation is the IBM Data Engineering Professional Certificate. It's one of the most popular data engineering programs on Coursera and is designed for beginners. You'll learn Python, SQL, Linux, ETL, Apache Spark, Hadoop, NoSQL databases, data pipelines, and complete hands-on projects that prepare you for entry-level data engineering roles. The IBM credential is also highly respected by employers. If you're serious about becoming a data engineer, buying these programs individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from IBM, Google Cloud, Microsoft, DeepLearning.AI, and many of the world's leading universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're planning to earn multiple certificates this year, it's a much better investment than purchasing courses one at a time. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If you found this ranking helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.